Hi, everyone.
Welcome.
Easy English with Alex and Sara. Listen, learn, and speak English with confidence.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back.
I'm Alex.
And I'm Sara.
And this is Easy English with Alex and Sara, your friendly place to practice English through real conversations.
Alex, has this ever happened to you?
Tell me.
Someone speaks to you in English, and instead of answering, you start translating in your head.
Oh, yes, many times.
You think, okay, what does that word mean in Spanish? And then how do I say the answer in English?
And by the time you figure it out, the conversation has already moved on.
Exactly. It's so frustrating.
And today, we're going to talk about exactly that problem.
How to stop translating in your head and start thinking directly in English.
This is one of the most common problems for English learners.
And the good news is, it can be fixed.
Let's begin.
Alex, let's start with the basics. Why do we translate in our heads?
I think it's because when we learn English in school, we learn through translation.
Yes. The teacher says a word in English and immediately gives the translation.
So our brain learns English word equals Spanish word.
And that becomes a habit. Every time we hear English, our brain looks for the translation.
It's like a reflex, automatic.
Exactly. But here's the problem.
What's the problem?
Native speakers don't think in words. They think in feelings, images, ideas.
That's interesting. Can you explain more?
When a native speaker says the word coffee, they don't think about a definition.
They feel the warmth of the cup, they smell the aroma, they remember their morning routine.
Exactly. The word is connected to an experience, not to a translation.
So the goal is to connect English words directly to experiences and feelings.
Not to their Spanish equivalent.
That's a completely different way of thinking about language.
It is, and it changes everything.
Okay, Sara. Let's talk about solutions. What can people do?
Strategy number 1. Think in English from the moment you wake up.
Even before getting out of bed?
Yes. When your alarm goes off, your first thought in English could be, "Good morning. Today is Monday. I feel tired."
Simple thoughts, but in English.
Exactly. You are training your brain to use English before it defaults to your native language.
That's smart. What's strategy number 2?
Stop looking up translations and start looking up definitions.
Ooh, that's a big change.
When you see a new word, instead of searching for the Spanish translation, search for the English definition.
So instead of learning that frustrated means frustrado,
You learn that frustrated means the feeling when you try hard but things don't work.
and your brain connects the word to the feeling, not to another word.
Exactly. It takes more time at first, but it builds real fluency.
Strategy number 3?
Watch movies and shows in English without subtitles.
Without any subtitles?
Without subtitles in your native language. English subtitles are okay at first.
Because when you read the translation, your brain stops listening.
Right. It takes the easy road. But when there's no translation, your brain has to work.
It has to understand. From context, from tone, from body language.
And that's exactly what happens in real conversations.
Strategy number 4?
Describe everything around you in English.
Like right now, I could say, I am sitting in a chair. There is a microphone in front of me. The room is quiet.
Perfect. You are not translating. You are observing and describing directly in English.
It's like your brain skips the translation step completely.
That's exactly what happens. Over time, that becomes your default way of thinking.
And strategy number 5?
Accept that you won't understand every word and keep going anyway.
That's hard for many people. I know, but when you stop to translate every unknown word, you lose the flow of the conversation. And then you miss even more. Exactly. Native speakers don't understand every word either, in every conversation. Really? Really. They use context. They use the words they do understand to figure out the meaning. That's a skill we can all develop. Absolutely.
Sarah, how do you know when your brain has made the switch?
Great question. There are some signs.
What are they?
The first sign is you start dreaming in English.
Oh, wow. That's a real thing?
Yes! When you dream in English, your brain has accepted English as a real language, not just a code to decode.
That's fascinating. What's the second sign?
You start thinking in English without trying.
Like you're doing something completely unrelated and suddenly your thoughts are in English?
Exactly. You're cooking and you think, I need to add more salt in English without choosing to.
That must feel amazing.
It does. It feels like a superpower.
What's the third sign?
You stop feeling exhausted after speaking English.
Because translating is mentally very tiring.
Very tiring. Your brain is doing double work. But when you think directly in English, it's much easier.
You have more energy for the actual conversation.
Exactly. How long does this take?
It depends on the person and on how much they practice.
For some people, a few months. For others, a year or more.
But it always happens if you keep going.
Always. Consistency is everything.
And now, let's look at some important words from today's conversation.
Are you ready?
Always ready.
Word number 1, reflex.
A reflex is an automatic reaction, something your body or mind does without thinking.
Example. Translating in your head is a reflex, but you can change it with practice.
Reflexes can be trained. That's the good news. Word number 2, fluency.
Fluency means the ability to speak a language easily and naturally.
Example, she speaks English with fluency because she practiced every day for 2 years.
Fluency is not about being perfect. It's about being natural and comfortable. Word number 3, context.
Context means the information around a word or situation that helps you understand its meaning.
Example. I didn't know the word, but from the context, I understood what he meant.
Context is your best friend when you don't know a word. Word number 4, default.
Default means what happens automatically when you don't make a specific choice.
Example, my default language is Spanish, but I'm training my brain to make English the default.
Changing your default takes time, but it is possible. And word number 5, exhausted.
Exhausted means extremely tired, more than just tired.
Example. After speaking English for 2 hours, I felt exhausted. My brain needed rest.
Translating is exhausting. Thinking in English is much less tiring.
Before we finish, I want to say something important.
Please do.
Learning to think in English is not easy. It takes time. It takes patience.
But every person who speaks English fluently today went through this exact process.
They all had to break the translation habit.
And they did it one thought at a time.
So start small. The next time you look at something around you,
Describe it in English. Just one sentence.
The sky is blue. My coffee is hot. I am learning English.
Those small moments add up to big changes.
Your brain is more powerful than you think.
And it is ready to learn.
I'm Alex.
And I'm Sarah. Thank you for listening to Easy English with Alex and Sarah.
keep learning, keep growing, and remember,
Your English goal is closer than you think.
see you in the next one.
Bye.